The Potensic mini drone with an RC camera, commonly referred to as a Potensic A20W, is a popular choice for beginners and enthusiasts looking for an affordable and easy-to-use drone. Here are some detailed features and specifications. Design and build. Compact size *. The drone is designed to be small and lightweight, making it highly portable and easy to handle. Durable construction *, made with sturdy materials to withstand minor crashes, ideal for beginners. LED lights *, equipped with LED lights for better visibility during flight, especially in low light conditions. Camera. 720p HD camera *. The drone features a built-in 720p HD camera that allows for decent quality aerial photography and video recording. FPV. First-person view real-time transmission of the camera feed to your smartphone, providing an immersive flying experience. Flight features. Altitude hold *. This feature helps the drone maintain a consistent altitude, making it easier to control and capture stable footage. One key takeoff/landing * simplifies the operation by allowing the drone to take off and land with a single button press. Headless mode *. This mode orients the drone to the controller, regardless of which way the drone is facing, simplifying flight controls. 3 speed modes *. Different speed settings, low, medium, high, to cater to both beginners and more experienced pilots. 3D flips *. Capable of performing 360-degree flips in all directions, adding fun to the flying experience. Control and connectivity. 2.4 GHz remote control * ensures a stable connection and responsive controls. Wi-Fi connection * for FPV transmission to your smartphone. App control * can be controlled via a smartphone app, providing additional features like custom flight paths. Battery and charging. Flight time * approximately 5 to 7 minutes per battery charge, typical for mini drones in this category. Battery type * uses modular batteries for quick and easy replacement. Charging time * around 40 to 60 minutes to fully charge a battery. Package contents. Drone * Potensic A20W mini drone. Controller * 2.4 GHz remote controller. Batteries * usually includes 1 or more batteries. USB charger * for charging the drone's batteries. Spare propellers * extra propellers in case of damage. User manual * instructions for setup and operation. Additional information. Range * the effective control range is approximately 50 meters. Safety features * includes propeller guards to protect both the drone and users from propeller blades. The Potensic mini drone with RC camera is suitable for indoor and outdoor use, offering a fun and educational flying experience for users of all ages.